Alright, today's job, a little old A-van. These often have a boot in the front here, but this one doesn't, so we're going to put the fuel tank on the A-frame there, and then the heater will be under this cabinet here. You can see I've got the drill in there lined up. That will be where it'll go, and the batteries are back under the bed, so we'll come to that in due course. So here we are, we've come out on this side of the van, which is the only way to do it because otherwise you're going to hit the floor on the other side. It's the only space they have available. Not ideal, but got to do what you got to do. So I've just got the air intake hooked up. I'm going to run the pump and cable underneath and then the exhaust back through here. Alright, we're going pretty well here. Got the heater secured down. No trouble there. We'll get that vent in and up and running shortly. Just running the cable through to the battery, which is right up the back there. You can just see that black cable out there just popping up. I'm just going to connect that up and get some power to it. Okay, tank mounted. A couple of bits of angle iron today. Didn't have too much around the shed, but that's strong enough. Mounted in there, about to put some fuel in and suck a bit through. Alright, so we are up and running. Tank there. Unit fastened down in here. Hear it ticking away. Controller on there. Pretty straightforward, this one, but all working well.